Protection from eviction continues for those not able to pay their rent during the devastating financial impact of the coronavirus pandemic.
Today, the Biden administration extended a federal moratorium that would have expired in just 2 days.
Now, as Danielle Cotterman tells us, that protection will remain in place until at least the end of June.
The coronavirus pandemic, not only the health aspect, but the financial aspect, has hit some families hard. In Ohio, officials say there are still about 330,000 families who could not pay their rent in March, and about 440,000 who don't know if they will be able to pay their rent come April.
And we've seen that really hard in the Warren and Youngstown area.
Andrew Newhouser is a managing attorney for Community Legal Aid Services. He explains there is a lot of help out there for those falling on tough times. The federal moratorium protecting renters from eviction is one. That, coupled with options for rental assistance, help both the tenant and the landlord.
There's a round of money that was provided in the fall, and there's a lot of pent-up demand when this money became available in February and March.
It doesn't mean that you don't have to pay that rent.
Brian Carberry is senior managing editor for Apartment Guide and Rent.com. He emphasizes renters need to have a plan to pay back what they owe. If not, they could face eviction when the moratorium does end.
If you are showing your landlord that you're going to be good for that money that you owe and come up with a feasible option to repay that, it may not be over a month, it may be over 6 months or a year, whatever that is, your landlord will likely be willing to work with you.
For information on qualifying for the moratorium and rental assistance, visit our website, WFMJ.com. With more local news, I'm Danielle Cotterman.